Hello everyone, I am Mariana Diala. My ID number 19130085. Now I will explain about curriculum material and development. In this video, I explain 3 points. The first is to explain the curriculum from 1047 until now. The second is the model of Indonesian curriculum and syllabus. The third one compares the model of Indonesian curriculum and syllabus with other countries. Curriculum development in Indonesian. 1. The initial curriculum was formed in 1047 or learning plan. This curriculum refers to the curriculum used by the Dutch because they were in a state of rebellion to gain Indonesian independence. The main characteristic of this curriculum is to shape human nature so that it has the same position as other nations. 2. In 1052, Indonesian underwent an improvement in the curriculum or research plan for universal learning. The hallmark of this curriculum is the material for teaching that deals with problems related to everyday life. 3. Education Plan 1064 or Education Plan. The education plan is characterized by learning programs that focus on fostering Pancawardana morals, namely morals, intelligence, art, skills, and physical development. 4. Curriculum 1068. The curriculum is a revisal from the 1064 curriculum, the development of the 5 basic principles of the Indonesian state, namely Pancasila, basic knowledge, and certain skills. 5. Curriculum 1017-5. The curriculum emphasizes the purpose of education to be more efficient and effective. Teaching methods, materials, and objectives are presented. Instruction, system development procedure or system development procedure. 6. 1084 Curriculum. The curriculum uses a skill approach that emphasizes teaching and process. Students are directed to observe, classify, discuss, and report on the objects they learn. This model is called the CBSA model or active students learning method. 7. 1994. The 1094 curriculum elaborates the 1075 curriculum and the 1084 curriculum, which take into account the objective and process expected to provide opportunities for students to master many subject matter. The implementation of the 1094 curriculum caused several problems in society due to the large number of subject matter. National and local subject students face a heavy burden. The subject matter is considered less relevant to the level of students' thinking development. 8. Competency-based curriculum or KBK. Competency-based curriculum, it focuses on 1. Students' outcomes and impact. 2. Diversity that can be released to meet needs. 9. School-based curriculum or KTSP. Government's regulation enlighten 8 national education standards, namely 1. Content standards, 2. Process standards, 3. Competency standards, 4. Educational personnel, standards. 5. Infrastructure standards. 6. Managerial and financial standards. And 7. Educational assessment standards. 10. Curriculum 2003. The main purpose of this curriculum is to form individuals who believe in God, both in character, confident, successful in learning, responsible citizens, and positive contributors to civilization, or Ministry of Education and Culture 1001-2. K13 is a curriculum of values that is occupied by character building. Point 2. The model of Indonesian curriculum and syllabus. Curriculum is a set of subjects and educational programs provided by an educational institution that contains lesson plan that will be given to lesson participants in one period of education. We know that syllabus is a learning plan for a particular subject and or groups of subjects and themes that included competency standards, basic competency, subject or learning materials, learning activities, indicators of competency, achievements for assessment, time allocation, and learning resources. This is example about syllabus. Point 3. Compare the model of Indonesian curriculum in syllabus with other countries. Indonesia and other countries have striking difference in the learning systems applied, as is the case in establishing early childhood education, where this education is very good for training children's motor development. However, in Indonesia, more emphasis is placed on learning to read, write, and count for early childhood, meanwhile abroad. Early childhood education emphasizes playing and interacting to explore their environment. Then, in terms of study time, where studying time in Indonesia is very dense for a long time. It is known that during the day, the majority of Indonesian students spend their time studying, while abroad students only study in class about 30 until 40%, and the rest is spent playing and interacting with their friends. Then for the task given by the teacher, this is what really distinguishes Indonesian from other countries. Most countries outside Indonesia do not provide assignments or homework. However, in Indonesia, almost every school will always give assignments to be done at home. The goal is good, namely to increase students' knowledge, but this can actually make them worried and depressed.